Lyft's Instant Pay feature allows drivers to access their earnings immediately, 24/7, 365 days a year. Instead of waiting for weekly payouts, you can cash out whenever you need your money. To link your debit card, start by opening the Lyft Driver app and navigating to the Earnings tab. This is where you'll find all your payment and earnings information. Next, select Instant Pay from the payment options. This will open the setup screen where you can add your debit card information. Now you'll need to enter your debit card information. This includes your 16-digit card number, expiration date, CVV security code, and billing zip code. Make sure all information is accurate to avoid delays. After entering your card details, you'll need to complete a micro deposit verification process. This usually takes 1 to 2 business days. Lyft will send small test deposits to your account, which you'll need to confirm to activate your card. Most Visa and MasterCard debit cards are widely accepted by Lyft's Instant Pay system. However, support for prepaid debit cards varies by issuer, so check compatibility before linking your card. Great news for drivers. As of late 2024, Lyft has upgraded its payment infrastructure to support near-instantaneous transfers. Most Instant Pay transactions now complete within minutes rather than hours. Additionally, Lyft has reduced Instant Pay fees from 50 cents to just 25 cents per transaction, making it more accessible and affordable for all drivers. Instant Pay transforms how Lyft drivers manage their earnings, offering immediate access to money with enhanced security features. Understanding the benefits, costs, and safety measures helps drivers make informed decisions about their payment preferences. The primary benefit of Instant Pay is improved cash flow management. Instead of waiting for weekly payouts, drivers can access their earnings immediately, reducing reliance on credit cards for emergency expenses. The numbers show strong adoption. 68% of active Lyft drivers use Instant Pay at least once per month. The average withdrawal is $47, with active users making about 3.2 transactions per week. Understanding the fee structure is crucial for smart usage. As of 2025, each Instant Pay transaction costs 25 cents, while standard weekly payouts on Tuesdays remain completely free. Express Pay allows withdrawals up to $2,000 per day. Security is paramount in financial transactions. Lyft has implemented mandatory two-factor authentication and biometric verification for all payment authorizations. Advanced AI systems provide real-time fraud monitoring to protect driver earnings. Biometric verification includes multiple methods for enhanced security. The system supports fingerprint, facial recognition, and other biometric technologies to ensure only authorized users can access payment features. Peak usage occurs on Friday evenings between 7 and 9 p.m., and Sunday afternoons, when drivers often need immediate access to their earnings. Best practices include monitoring fees to manage costs and maintaining multiple payment methods for redundancy. Instant Pay provides valuable financial flexibility for Lyft drivers with reasonable fees and robust security measures. The 25-cent transaction fee is a small price for immediate access to earnings, especially during peak driving periods when cash flow matters most.